Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make an underwater glowing text scene. Create a new dark blue canvas in Photoshop. Type your text using a bold clean font. Go to the blending options, select outer glow and choose gain for underwater light. Now duplicate the text and reduce opacity for soften reflections. Apply a Gaussian blur for lower text to make it diffused water. Now add a light beam using the gradient tool in white and set it to overlay. Then create a bubbles with lisp tool and give them an inner glow. Use filter, select blur and select motion blur slightly to show water motion. Now add a floating particle using a soft brush and scatter setting.